Okay, we're gonna do stress analysis. Okay, this is mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3, mesh 4, mesh 5, and the last one is copy from mesh 5. Okay, if we look at the result for stress, double click on stress, right click, edit definition, chart option, floating, one decimal place, setting, boundary option none, and right click, animation, decrease animation. So the yield strength for the stainless steel is 620.4 Newton per millimeter square megapascal, and the maximum bond stress is 84.4. It's right here. And let's close this one. Do the same thing for displacement. Double click, right click on displacement, animation, decrease the speed. So if we apply 1200 Newton perpendicular force perpendicular to the bottom surface, the maximum displacement is going to be 0.3 millimeter. Do the same thing for the strength. Right click, edit definition. Okay, because the number is very small, we're gonna leave it scientific. Okay, animation. So let's try here, and then that's all about it.